Hello YouTube, Steve here. In this video, I'm gonna show how I built this Smart Shunt using ESP12E and INA226 power monitoring IC. I have modified it to work up to 80 volt and 100 amp DC. It can be used to monitor battery state of charge and many more things. I have used ESPhome firmware for this. You also can add a display or any I2C devices. SDA and SCL are available there. It can also be integrated with your home assistant directly. This is the second version I have made. There are so many things to be improved. You can suggest me in the comments. If you are from India and want to buy this Smart Shunt and my other products, you can contact me via Instagram. The link will be in the description down below. Today's video is sponsored by JLC PCB, the largest PCB manufacturer in China. They kindly provided the PCB for this project. I uploaded the Gerber files, opted for PCB assembly service, and submitted the bill of material BOM and provided the pick and place file and ordered it. After 10 to 15 days, I have received my assembled PCB and only needs to solder a few components. I will leave all the part links with purchasing links and circuit diagram in the description down below. You can check that out. That's all for today's guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for next video.